Before we dive into the course content, let us clarify what you are going to learn throughout this journey. We are going to start with an empty solution, and we are going to build a URL shortener app, a useful tool much like Bitly or tinyURL, from the ground up. You are going to build 3 different projects. The admin portal or the client app will be built using the ASP.NET MVC. The URL Redirector app will be developed using ASP.NET Web API. In between these 2 projects, we are going to have another project that we are going to use to manage the application data, and it will be a simple .NET class library app. To store the data, we are going to initially use a local SQL database. And by the end of this course, you'll learn how to use an Azure SQL database. To interact with the database, we are going to use Entity Framework, which is a popular data access framework in the .NET ecosystem, and this combination does provide a robust and reliable data management system for our application. Throughout this course, we are going to manage our code base using Github, a platform for version control and collaboration. This allows us to track changes, work with different developers, and ensure the integrity of our code. Security in our app is really important. We are going to implement authentication and authorization using the ASP.NET identity. This ensures that the user data remains safe and protected, adding an essential layer of security to our app. You'll learn about how to authenticate users and also how to add roles to the users. We are going to design our app using Bootstrap, a responsive and user-friendly front-end framework. This is going to make our app not only functional, but also visually appealing and accessible on different devices. By the end of this course, you'll also learn how to deploy the whole app to Azure Web Services.